Good morning. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your weather briefing Storm Scoop. It is Wednesday, November 26, 2020, and we'll have a gobble outlook today, tropics or no tropics today, and we'll discuss that storm for next week at length. So let's jump in. So we have a Euro showing a very impressive high latitude blocking regime setting up for early December. Again, that first week or 10 days is that window that I've been talking about for about 5 days now. There'll be no shortage of storminess. There'll be a lot of storms. It's just a matter of, are they cutters? Are they up the coast? There'll likely be a mix of both rainstorms and snowstorms in the track, but winter is definitely here. It's definitely exciting. Temperature anomalies. Look how far down that polar plunge comes for that window of time we will discuss for early December. So it's going to be cold all the way down into Florida, or just way below normal, we'll call it. So this is our snow window, if you will. And the upcoming North Pacific pattern, which we call the PNA, we're at a positive PNA state, is also a way that could promote upward wave flux towards the stratosphere, displacing the stratospheric polar vortex off its axes during that latter half of December. And keeping that eye out there. For what it's worth, the GFS Ensemble is forecasting an extreme PNA event in early December, so things are lining up. Wanted to come back here, surface analysis. It's only been 1 day since 2001 where the PNA was greater than 2 in December. The upcoming PNA values are pretty insane, over 2, so you don't see that very often. I think the last time was December 2014. And let's see that one. So let's look at the storm. So this is the European for Friday, December 4th. These lows could just phase. I think we'd be in good shape. Probably looking at a Miller A type storm. This is just the first shot at it. Pulling out some other models. We're going to have to hold on here. We have to readjust. The GEM brings it a little more off the coast, brings snow into the big cities. Probably a mixed bag into New York, but Boston, Hartford, looks like even Philly gets in on that snow, and some heavy ones up the 95 corridor. The GFS is the cutoff line is probably like Westchester, New York. A lot of snows on north and west of that. Rain to the east, and then the European. Again, we just kind of showed you. That's about it. Thanksgiving will be dry for most places except for the Northeast. That's my girl joining us here. So I'm going to go join her and take the rest of the day. Have a great one. Have a great Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.